Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can attach photos to your iPhone's calendar event. So it's pretty simple. First, what you want to do is go inside your phone's photo, and from inside photos, select the photo which you want to attach on your iPhone calendar. After you select it, at the bottom left corner you will see the arrow pointing up. Click on it and scroll all the way up and click on over here where it says save to files. From save to files, you want to choose the location where you want this photo to be saved and click on save at the top right. Once you do that, you want to close it and go on your calendar. On your calendar at the top right corner, click on the plus, and from over here name this event anything you want. After you name the event, scroll a bit down and you will see the option called add attachment. Click on add attachment. Once you click on add attachment, you want to choose the photo from your file. So go to the place where you store the photo and click on it. Once you do that, the photo will be attached on your calendar. Now what you can do is click on add at the top right, and basically the event will be added along with the photo being attached to it on your calendar. So that's how you guys can attach photos to iPhone calendar event. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.